do. You do.
I can see you, Chris.
Hi folks, you're on a video.
No.
Wave. Staffordshire branch at IOSH. Hi folks.
Yeah, well, if you just lay out it through Julie, you know, so we've got some consistency there, and there's no, there's no blank spots. That'll be fantastic, But what I want to do is just, again, another 2 years on. Hi guys, so here we are at the IOSH HQ in Leicester. The Staffordshire branch have come down just to have a wander around the building to see and meet and greet all the guys that fundamentally build up the staff members at IOSH. So what we've come down here today for is to look at developing the branch and getting the support from the functions within the Grange to support you guys as members. So we've looked at things from a technology point of view, things that are working well, not so well, communication and natural involvement of all the things that we do at the Staffordshire branch. So take a look at our website and look out for some communications from us, from the committee matter and so on and so forth. And stay in tune. So we've got a YouTube page, which this will be on, so you can probably click a link somewhere around here. That'll take you to our formal IOSH branch website. So yeah, keep tuned in. Thank you very much, guys, and over and out.